Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a butter hair mask. To begin, gather your ingredients for this nourishing treatment. This mask offers fantastic benefits. Butter deeply moisturizes dry and damaged strands, restoring luster. It reduces frizz, leaving hair smoother and more manageable. The rich fatty acids nourish your scalp and hair, promoting overall health. Regular application improves elasticity and strength, making it less prone to breakage. It's a simple, effective way to give your hair a luxurious boost. Now let's talk about what you'll need. For this mask, you will want 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature for easier mixing. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This provides extra moisture and shine. Finally, include 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or rosemary, for added fragrance and benefits. These simple ingredients combine to create a powerful hair treatment. With your ingredients ready, it's time to apply the mask. First, gently melt the butter until it's soft but not completely liquid. Then combine all ingredients thoroughly in a small bowl, ensuring a smooth consistency. Apply this mixture evenly to clean, damp hair, working from the roots all the way to the ends. Take about 2 minutes to gently massage the mask into your scalp, stimulating circulation and ensuring full coverage. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap. Let the mask work its magic for about 30 minutes. For an even deeper conditioning treatment, you can leave it on for up to 1 hour. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all the mask is removed. Finally, follow up with your usual mild shampoo and conditioner to complete the process. Enjoy your beautifully nourished hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.